Let's be real for the moment. If you are considering investing in an automatic bike wash machine, I know the number one fear that's running through your mind. You are probably asking yourself, will this machine scratch the bike? Because let's face it, one single scratch can mean angry customer, bad review, and money out of your pocket. For many business owners, this is the deal breaker. And today I'm here to answer the exact question. Does the Go&Go automatic bike wash machine scratch vehicle or not? Stick with me because what I'm to share about will change the way you think about automatic bike wash forever. Here is the truth. Most investors worry that burst, high pressure nozzle, or even the chemical used might damage a motorbike. And honestly, that is a fair concern because if you have seen old, outdated washing system from 10 even 20 years ago, yes, they were rough, clumsy, and sometimes cause minor scratching. But technology has evolved, and Go&Go has built its machine specifically for modern motorbike and scooter. First, let's talk about the brush system. Go&Go uses soft, high-density foam brushes, not the hard bristle that older systems use. These brushes are engineered to flex and adapt to the shape of the bike. They don't bring dirt into the paint. Instead, they gently sweep it away while being constantly rinsed with water. That means no dry friction and no scratching. Second, the water pressure. You might think, but it's not high pressure risky. Here is the secret. Go&Go machines are carefully calibrated. The nozzles are powerful enough to remove dust, mud, and road rim, but never so strong that they feel pain, damage the car, or harm sensitive part. We have tested this balance on thousands of bikes, from standard scooter to high-end motorbike. And third, the chemicals. Some triple system use harsh detergent that can damage paint or corrode chrome. Go&Go only recommend eco-friendly, bike-safe shampoo. They are strong on dirt, gentle on surface, and even leave behind a protective sign. In fact, many of our clients tell us that customers say, "My bike looks newer after every wash." That's the kind of feedback that keeps customers coming back. Now let's flip the question. Imagine running a traditional hand wash shop. Do scratches happen there? Absolutely. Workers with dirty sponge, old clothes, or even a tiny piece of sand trapped in the rack. That's how paint gets scratched every single day. And worse, it's inconsistent. One worker is careful, another is careless. How do you control that? You cannot. That is the pain point. With manual washing, human error is your biggest risk. Customer complain, you lose reputation, and suddenly your cheap labor is not so cheap anymore because every complaint costs you more in refund and lost trust. But with Go&Go automatic wash system, you remove that risk. Every wash is consistent, every wash is controlled. No tire worker cutting corner, no dirty rag scratching the surface, no careless mistake. The machine does not get lazy, doesn't rush, and does not make excuse. And that's what builds trust. Customers walk away saying, "Wow, that was safe, fast, and my bike looked amazing." That's how you win loyalty. Think about this. Safety and trust are the foundation of any successful service business. If your customer feel confident that their bike are 100% safe, they will come back again and again. And that means stable, recurring revenue for you. So does the Go&Go automatic bike wash machine scratch vehicle? The answer is simple. No, it's protect them. Soft foam brush engineered for safety. Calibrate water pressure that's clean, never damaged. Eco-friendly shampoo, safe for paint, decor, and chrome. And most importantly, consistency that eliminate human error. Now the choice is yours. You can't stay stuck in the old way, constantly worry about subscribes, complaint, and bad review. Or you can move into the future with a system designed for safety, speed, and customer satisfaction. If you are ready to give your business a reputation for quality and trust, then Go&Go is the partner you have been searching for. Click the link below, watch more success stories from our global client, and talk to us today. Because with Go&Go, your customers don't just get a clean bike, they get peace of mind, and that's wireless. Go&Go invite you to come directly to the factory to visit and change the machine before ordering.